Let's start with the ingredients. We need 2 cups of flour, 1.5 cup of evap milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, baking powder 4.5 teaspoon, half teaspoon of salt. For the protein mixture of Puto Flan, we need the 3/4 cup of sugar with the 4 egg yolks. And of course, we need this. And for the flan mixture, we need the 4 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, 1/4 cup of evap milk, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. And here's the mold. Here's the ingredients. Okay, let's begin with the leche flan mixture. In a bowl, let's add the 4 egg yolks and 1 can of condensed milk. Ooh. Mix it a little bit, and then let's add the 1/4 cup of evap milk, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix well until well combined. Let's grease our Puto Flan molds with the butter. Now, let's have our leche flan. Let's put it in here so that we can easily put on the molds. Okay? Just put at least 1/4. Next, we need to put in our steamer and steam for at least 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, while waiting for the 5 to 8 minutes for the steamer, let's put another batch for the puto. Let's check the first batch. There you go. So it's look like this. Okay, let's set aside for now. Let's put remaining or the second batch. Steam for 5 to 8 minutes for lower heat. Steam for 5 to 8 minutes in a low heat. Let's do the flour mixture. Let's add the 2 flour. Let's add the teaspoon baking powder and followed by half teaspoon of salt. Mix until well combined, and then we need to add evap milk 1.5 cup. Use the spatula to mix, and then finish it with this whisk until the mixture become smooth. And let's add the melted butter. I'm sure you're gonna love this recipe. I would like to dedicate this episode to Ate Ging. Hi Ate Ging! I hope you like this. Bye! Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on below. Let's see.